In the meantime, Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr. has reaffirmed that the Philippines is not the initiator of tensions and aggressive actions in the West Philippine Sea. This following the seemingly threatening claims from the Chinese ambassador to the Philippines, Jing Huan. Patrick De Suz has the full report.
Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr. wants stricter vigilance over any cultural exchange programs involving China. According to an investigation by maritime security think tank Sea Light Foundation, the university that hosted a symposium where Chinese scholars claim that Batanes is part of China is also the largest training destination for Chinese language teachers in the Philippines. In response, Teodoro said academic institutions should not be used to spread disinformation.
Pero itong pinakamalaking ebidensya na ma-exchange na ito ay bunga din ng siyang institusyon naglalabas ng fake news. Nonetheless, this calls for vigilance. Hindi ko sinasabing huwag tayong makitungo. Sinasabi ko lang, pag nakitungo tayo, dapat alam natin na baka may masamang pakay. Maging dudoso tayo.
The defense chief also pushed back against what he described as a threatening statement made by Chinese ambassador to the Philippines, Jing Chuan, who also accused the Philippines of provoking tensions. In an interview with a Chinese news outlet, Jing questioned whether the Philippines is prepared to deal with the consequences of conflict and confrontation. Teodoro responded that everyone knows who is actually instigating tensions.
Etong statement ni Ambassador na ito ay may halong banta. Hindi lang tayo pinangangaralan, galit-galitan pa, nang babanta pa. Kaya naalibadbaran ng mga Pilipino sa kanya. At saka sa punot dulo ng mga mensahe niya. Pangalawa, sino ba nanggugulo dito? May karapatan ba sila na gawin sa atin ito mga ginagawa nila? Wala. No? Kung ikaw doon sa China, mag-text ka lang na mali, kukulong ka na eh.
The Chinese ambassador's remarks came despite his meeting with President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. last week, where they discussed efforts to reset Philippines-China relations to prevent another incident in the West Philippine Sea following the encounter at Ayungin Shoal. Teodoro said China can prove its sincerity by leaving the West Philippine Sea.
Walang pagkukulang tayo sa pakikitungan sa kanila, sobra-sobra pa nga. Nasa sa kanila naman yun. Hindi sa cultural exchange. Hindi sa pagbibigay ng ano-ano. Malis sila sa West Philippine Sea. Simple lang yan eh. 200 nautical miles lang yan sila. 900 kilometers nga layo nila.
Meanwhile, the Department of Foreign Affairs said it is ready to participate in any investigation into the provisional understanding on Ayungin Shoal. This follows the Senate resolution filed by Senator Francis Pangilinan seeking an inquiry into the controversial agreement and whether it is consistent with the Philippines 2016 arbitral award. The DFA said it is open to clarifying the matter in the appropriate forum and in coordination with defense and security agencies. Patrick De Jesus for The Nation.